I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling what you still have. The remaining sequence, the original count n, and any provided sum or checksum. Once done, compute the current sum, count, and simple statistics like mean and parity. These give immediate constraints. Make sure to log positions that were removed. That narrows possibilities significantly. Also check for any redundant checksums or hashes because these let you set up equations. This step turns vague loss into a solvable numeric problem. Now translate those constraints into math. If you know the original sum, subtract the current sum to get the combined missing sum. If count changed, missing count gives another equation. Once done, apply value bounds and discreteness to prune solutions. For one missing number, solve directly. For two or more, use simultaneous equations, differences, or subset sum search. Make sure to prefer deterministic methods first. Resort to brute force or optimization only when constraints still allow many candidates. Finally, compute candidate values and validate each against every constraint. Once computed, plug numbers back in to confirm the original sum, checksum, and any provided statistics match. This eliminates false positives. If multiple solutions remain, rank them by likelihood using ranges or frequency information and report the minimal solution set. If nothing fits, double-check inputs and seek extra metadata like a checksum or sample entries. That single extra constraint often results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.